All right, here's another point I want to make about the world being bull. And that's the whole study of genetics. I mean, what they found, and they've only found this recently, really. I mean, Adolf Hitler didn't know about this, Mussolini didn't know about this, Caesar didn't know about this, Napoleon. We know about this, but it hasn't made any improvement. We're still killing each other. And that's our genetics. Yeah, in every cell in our bodies, we have like 60 trillion cells in our body on the average. And every cell in those bodies is a little DNA molecule in that cell. It's about 2,000 times smaller than a grain of sand. But in every one of those DNA molecules, it has 300,000 pages of code. This is what a page of code looks like. This. Letters, 4 letters, A, G, C, and T, standing for 4 nucleotides, and we have 300,000 pages in every one of them. Now, what's that about? I mean, a little goddamn thing like that has got 300,000 pages of code, and that's what the Human Genome Project was about, is they were able to decode all that. Now they're finding the genome for the chimpanzee and all that sort of thing. So we know we're just 4 letters. And prejudice, it turns out, between the blackest African American and the whitest Caucasian, there's no more genetic difference than the difference between a brother and sister. But where the hell are all the people holding up a piece of paper, the ministers and the government leaders saying, hey, prejudice is a biological mistake? It turns out that our genetic code is no more different in terms of letters than a gardenia or a rose or a potato. I mean, we're all the same book of life, and yet we're all killing each other. It's crazy. In other words, the whole message of the genome was, gee, we're going to cure heart attacks, and gee, we're going to do this and that. But they never came to us and said 300,000 pages of code in a DNA molecule. I mean, who can get that? And it means we're basically insignificant. We come out of this thing. So what's the message here? I don't know what the message is.